Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I'm still looking at this as an A, a B. Now it kind of looks like it might go up and retest these highs at this point, but I still think eventually it is going to go down and make a wave C, just like I've been talking about for months. So going down to the weekly, I still got my Fibonacci retracement on here, but normally when price goes above the 78%, that does normally mean that it will go up and break these previous highs. I think that it's still a correction. I think it's just forming some sort of WXY or maybe some sort of a flat, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 5 waves down. Either way, I think that this is getting closer and closer to making a bigger move to the downside, but it is definitely in an uptrend right now, and I'm definitely looking for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the daily, I don't think I would want to go short right now, and I definitely wouldn't want to go long at the top of a trend. It looks like a 1, 2, 3 to me, so probably it's going to make a 4 and a 5. And at this point, I think it is going to take out the previous highs, so I'm definitely still looking for longs on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, I do think there's a good possibility we are going to get a counter trend move for at least the next couple days. It seems to me extremely clear that this is a 1, 2, 3. I think that the wave 3 is very, very likely to be over. I think we're now in a wave 4, and then it's probably going to go back up for a wave 5. If you do trade the very short time frames, you could definitely be looking for shorts right now in this wave 4, but I personally am still waiting for good entries to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we don't even have a breaker structure to the downside yet. So there's always a possibility that this right here is a correction and that it is going to bounce off a fib level. It seems more likely to me that we are in a wave 4, which a wave 4 probably will go down and break structure, probably end up looking something like that. So like I said, if you are a short time frame trader, you could definitely be looking for shorts. If you're more of a day trader slash swing trader like I am, then you're probably patiently waiting for the wave 4 to be complete to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. At least until we see some sort of reason to think otherwise on like the daily time frame and up, I still think that the better money to be made is going to be looking for longs at the end of ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.